Hello, and welcome to Tutorial Time with He-Man. Today, we will be going over how to use the Batch Transfer NFTs feature in the Contract Minting Vault. Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over how to transfer multiple NFTs from all of your burner wallets into one specific wallet. This is useful when you are done minting and say you have 10 burner wallets, each containing 3 NFTs. Instead of sending those NFTs individually, you can use this feature, which will send them all at one time. You can access it by going to the menu, Withdraw NFTs, which will pull up this screen right here. So the first thing that you need to get, you have to go into your burner wallet and find which NFTs you have in there and get the IDs from those. An easy way, instead of connecting each of those burner wallets, you can just copy to clipboard your wallet ID, go to OpenSea, paste in that wallet ID, and it will show you all the NFTs that you have in that wallet. Then you go to the specific NFT that you're trying to transfer. You copy that ID, which here is 275. You type that in right here. If you have more than one, you do a space after the first ID, enter the next ID. If you have more than 2, same thing, space, enter the ID. You do that for each of the wallets. This can only be done for one collection at a time. So after you've done that, you have to find out what the contract address is for that collection. You can do that by going back to that NFT, scrolling down, going to Details, Contract Address, opens up the Etherscan. You copy that, and you paste that right in here. And down here is the wallet that you're sending all of these NFTs to. So you paste in whatever wallet that is, and you hit Transfer NFTs, and a MetaMask will pop up, and you have to approve the transactions. As a side note, make sure before you're transferring the NFTs that you have enough ETH in each of those burner wallets that you're sending the NFTs to for the transaction, because it still costs gas. That's it.